Introducing this 2018 Toyota Sienna LE conversion van. Offering a VMI Northstar manual side entry ramp system. This vehicle features a 3.6-liter V6 engine and around 43,000 miles. Simply open your side door and then manually stow or deploy your ramp. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2018 Toyota Sienna LE conversion van. Call AutoMobility store today and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.